Hello, I'm Pratham and I just won 30 DC's hackathon. It was really good experience. So from the start we had four base topics to choose from: a laundry store, a primary school site, educational website and a restaurant website. So I chose educational website because I thought it would have simple UI, it would be functional, and also I wanted to write the logic. So I began working from the first day, knowing that I had to do the majority of work in just 2 days as my exams were near. So I decided to go with Next.js to do everything, and made landing page and also integrated clerk authentication on the first day only. So next day I successfully set up webhooks for storing data in MongoDB. Initially I thought using MongoDB was a good idea, but later I realized that I had to create API routes for each and every combination, and also it would be so complex to do it. So I paused, I did some research, and I came across HighGraph. So it's an LMS that manages all your data, and you just have to use GraphQL to access the data and query the data, and it was perfect. So all I have to do was write the schema and models, and I learned GraphQL in the same day. So next thing was to do the styling. So I prefer Shadcn for that, so I didn't have to write the components and style everything. So next I integrated blog using Nextra. So it was like piecing a puzzle together using every technology and combining it, so to get the result, a product that was easy and simple to use. So in just 5 days I completed everything. I recorded everything on LinkedIn, and that's it. It was a rewarding experience and great experience. Thank you 30DC for creating this challenge, and I'm so happy. Thank you.